how to fix Instagram message problem in 2022. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message problem easy and fast. First thing, go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to apps, and after you click on apps, now go to apps again and choose the Instagram app. Now let's wait a few seconds. Click on Instagram. Let's search for the Instagram app. Where is it? And I think I'm gonna search for it right here. Instagram. Now all what you have to do is click on force stop, and then go to this storage option and click on it. And now click on this clear data option and clear cache, and then go back. Now click on this data usage option, and now all what you have to do is disable those options and enable them again. And after you do that, go back, and now click on the home screen and restart your phone, and then try Instagram, and I am sure that the problem is solved 100%. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.